So we recently launched some new technical scans that you can find using OptionsPlay. So let's say you're looking at FedEx going into earnings season. FedEx doesn't report for another 2 months or so. Recently just reported it had a huge gap higher. Maybe you think this can continue moving higher. The idea is that you can select a directional view. OptionsPlay will help you structure option strategies for that directional view, whether you want to look at straight bullish strategies or if you want to look at strategies that are more suitable for high volatility environments, such as right now, which FedEx, as you can see, the IB rank is 52%. So relatively expensive options, perhaps suitable for option selling, similar to Morgan Stanley, perhaps selling a put credit spread might make sense. Maybe you want to go a little further out of the money to increase your odds of success. So whatever strategy you're looking at using OptionsPlay that you structure, you'll be able to click on the trade button, click on TradeStation, and within a single click, be able to execute this order into your TradeStation account without having to leave the OptionsPlay platform to execute your trades, and do so in just a few clicks. Dave actually was just talking to me before about GDX, gold. Gold is recently, if you look at gold, it's been range bound between 2,300 and 2,450. So it's been kind of stuck in that trading range, potentially could be breaking out here to the upside. He was mentioning to me looking at buying some call spreads here. Whenever you have kind of that breakout potential here, I like to use out of the money debit spreads, slightly out of the money debit spreads that give you a really high risk reward ratio, like going out to September, buying the 37.41 call spread. That will risk $115 to potentially make 285 if GDX is above 41 by that September expiration. And maybe you might think September is a little too far out. Maybe you want to use August, something less further out in time, and then this allows you to quickly adjust your strike prices. Maybe I wouldn't go so far out. Maybe that 37.39, risking $61 to potentially make 139. These types of risk reward ratios of at least 2 to 1, 3 to 1 type risk reward ratios I like to use when you're expecting some type of binary event like GDX or gold breaking out from a trading range. And then what you can do is basically click on the trade button, click on TradeStation, and instantly enter this order very quickly into your TradeStation account. So at a very high level, that is the trading integration that you're now able to do here with the OptionsPlay platform. And then you can always go back to your positions, select an existing position, click on close. You can trade it with a limit order, or you can even simply close at market so that you can very quickly get out of a position. So when I'm trading something super liquid, like when David was showing you some of the options that are trading a few 100,000 contracts a day or a few million contracts a day, many times for those types of trades, I'll be very comfortable closing those options trades with using a market order. You'll usually get pretty good fills on that, sometimes even better fills than a limit order. And with this new integration, you can basically look at your positions, easily enter orders to close them, manage them, roll them, whatever it is that you need to do using the OptionsPlay platform, using the trading integration that we now have with TradeStation.